Hey everybody, this is Wakefield from True Online Wealth, and what I want to talk to y'all today about is Aweber versus Getresponse. As you know, or if you're a newbie, everybody knows you need a good autoresponder to capture leads and send out emails. To me, I'm just really kind of torn. Really, both of them are great autoresponders, and I mean, both of them is just really special. I think those are the two top autoresponders you want if you want to build a list effectively in the right way. Now, as you can see here, Aweber, it's $19 a month for your first 500 subscribers. It don't say that. And then it's quarterly plan, 4994. I mean, Aweber, I mean, it's great, but I mean, I just don't know. To me, they pretty much about a tie. You can have success with either one, but it's $19 a month for your first 500 subscribers. Um, I would say that you could go either way. Let me go to Getresponse. Now Getresponse, it's $15 for your first 1,000 subscribers, and then it goes up just like Aweber do. But the beauty about both of them is you really could find out for yourself which one you like, because both of them offers a 30-day trial. So you could play around with both of them for 30 days and you can be your own judge of which one is better. But like I say, they both great. They both get a 30-day trial. Just make sure you cancel that 30-day trial so you won't get billed. But I mean, I mean, you could just go either way, and both of them too. I will say they got a great deliverability, and they got great landing page and templates and stuff like that. And I mean, it's just really a good way to automate your marketing, and it even says that right here on the Get Response page. But either one, you can just pretty much play around with it yourself. Uh, you know, both of them got a 30-day free trial, so you could just sign up for both of them and see which one you want to continue uh, to go with. I mean, maybe you want to go with both of them. Maybe you don't want either one of them. Maybe you want to stay with one and get rid of the other. But either way, they both great. These are the top two autoresponders or email marketing softwares that you, I think, need to sign up for if you're trying to build a list and capture leads online. So I'm affiliated with both of them, and both of them are awesome. Both of them just have great everything. So I'm gonna put the links below in the description, and y'all decide which one y'all want. I'm also gonna put a link to my blog, and stay tuned for more content from this channel. And make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.